How to add Amazon affiliate link to my website. So if you want to add a particular Amazon affiliate link to any part of your website, then follow this video. First thing you need to do is you just copy the affiliate link that you have on a certain product that you want. I have in here this product, so I'll get the Amazon affiliate link for this. Next thing is to head over to your website host. I chose Shopify right here. Go over right here to your online store and let me head over and edit my online store right here. You can do so by clicking on the customize option that will appear once you click onto this online store, and it should be able to reflect the themes. Click on this customize option. So you can actually add those links on any elements like photos, text, as well as buttons. On my case, I'll add it right here into this button. Just click onto the element that you want to add it, and in here you can see the link option. You can click onto this link and input right here or paste the link that we have copied for our actual Amazon. Click onto this right here and it should be able to be added. Then after that, head over and click onto the save in order to save this particular change. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.